Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the new app that is Microsoft Office App. It's a box of Word, Excel and PowerPoint in a single app named as Microsoft Office App, Android Google Play Store and even in Apple's App Store also. Let's see what this new app contains and how it's useful to user. First of all, it's time to empty out the Microsoft Office folder on your phone. The new unified Office app, which combines Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and sticky notes into a neat little package. This new Office app, which was first unveiled as a public beta in November of last year, it's reminiscent of the old Google Drive app. It is a uniquely mobile ways of creating documents and it assembled with a quick note making feature also. And the most useful feature is using the camera to scan the documents. Take a peek and scan for the documents. It has a very wider area to create the documents. Converting images to Office documents is also possible in the Microsoft new Office app. It brings all your documents together in one place and provide a convenient launching point for the Word, Excel and PowerPoint without the need of separate apps. It automatically syncs with your Microsoft account and it even syncs with the sticky notes. And it provides some handy mobile features like PDF scanning, PDF signing and local file transfers. The new Office app makes it easy to switch between Microsoft account on a fly and it supports a super clean design also. It connects to a handful of cloud storage service including Dropbox and SharePoint. As previously I mentioned that it's already available on Google Play Store and even Apple's App Store. So let's see the app info from Google Play Store. This is from Google Play Store app info, version, updated date, downloads and the size of this app and many more things. Pause the video and go through this. This is about the new Microsoft Office app. That's a box of Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.